Since its inception in 2006, Amazon Web Services (AWS) has been offering IT infrastructure services to businesses in the form of web services, now commonly known as cloud computing. AWS currently commands a 32% market share among the major cloud providers, and the sector seems to grow bigger by the day. Being one of the biggest cloud computing technologies, it's only natural that everybody wants to get into the hottest industry and contribute to building innovations that will not only shape the future, but also earn a handsome salary at the end of each month. In this video we're going to review the average salary of a AWS certified cloud practitioner and hopefully help you decide whether these jobs and their rewards fit your expectations. At present, Amazon offers 12 certification badges, 1 foundational, 3 associate, 2 professional, and 6 specialty certifications. The AWS Cloud Practitioner certification is one of the most widely used and fundamental certifications required to operate the AWS cloud. The credential covers all the fundamental knowledge required to operate the AWS cloud and is therefore deemed the most universal in terms of application. Besides developers, this certification appeals to managers, finance specialists, and just about anyone who works in a company that uses AWS on a daily basis. Even if you work in a technical role that requires you to use other cloud platforms, learning AWS cloud expands your job opportunities. As a result, having an AWS certification on your resume can help you get a step closer to landing a dream job in the best of organizations. Now that we've covered the basics, let's take a look at the salary of an AWS cloud practitioner. AWS certification will not only boost your CV, it will also help you earn a higher salary. According to Global Knowledge's 2020 Top Paying IT Certifications Report, the AWS Cloud Practitioner salary is one of the top 10 best paid IT certifications in the United States. The average base salary of an AWS Cloud Practitioner is around $159,033 USD, whereas in India, the salary of an AWS Cloud Practitioner varies from INR 1,297,000 to 1,416,000 per year. With the points mentioned in the video, we hope you have a brief understanding of why an AWS Cloud Practitioner certification is worth it. To get a head start on your AWS certification with proper guidance and training to build a stable career in the AWS platform, sign up for the AWS Cloud Practitioner certification course on saasguru and pave your way for a bright career. Watch our other videos to know more about saasguru Career Development Program.